Rico Lorraine Singer here, and I'm going to teach you guys how to crack someone else's neck. So let's get started and let me show you how it's done. Right beside me is my auntie. She volunteered to be my assistant. Please consult your doctor, physician, or chiropractor. I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.